make money from home. Hello guys, welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. In this video you will find out everything you need to know on starting making money from your home that anyone can try. And if you think this video was useful, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel for more content like this one. Turn on the notification bell and you will be notified every time I post a new video. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to comment in the comment section down below. So the first method of making money from home is online surveys. These are a way for businesses and researchers to gather feedback and information from a large number of people through the internet. Participants can earn money or rewards by completing online surveys on various topics. Sign up with survey websites. Sign up with those websites such as SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, or Toluna. These websites connect survey takers with businesses and researchers who are looking for participants. Complete your profile on the survey websites you sign up for. This will help the website match you with services that are relevant to your interests and demographics. Take surveys. Start taking surveys on the website you've signed up for. Surveys can be about a wide variety of topics such as products, services, or personal opinions. You can redeem rewards. Once you've accumulated enough points or cash, you can redeem your rewards through website. Rewards can include cash, gift cards, or prizes. Make sure to keep your personal information safe. Be aware that some survey websites may ask you for personal information such as your name or address or phone number. Make sure to read the privacy policy and only provide information you feel comfortable sharing. Be honest when answering survey questions. Providing false information can lead to your account being suspended or terminated. Online surveys may not be the most high-paying gig, and it may take a while to earn a significant amount of money or rewards, so be patient and keep taking surveys to increase your chances of earning rewards. Many survey websites will notify you when new surveys are available, so make sure to check your email regularly. Online surveys can be a way to earn some extra cash or rewards in your spare time, but it's important to keep in mind that it may not be a significant source of income. Additionally, you should be aware of the security of your personal information when providing it to online survey websites. The second method is decisions about products, services, and strategies. Identify the research problem. The first step in market research is to identify the problem or question that you want to research. This could be something like determining the size of a market, understanding customer behavior, or assessing the competitiveness of particular industry. Develop a research plan. Once you have identified the research problem, you have to develop a research plan outlining the methods you will use to gather and analyze data. This plan should include information about the sample size, survey question, and the data analysis techniques you will use. So gather data through a variety of methods, such as surveys, interviews, focus groups, and secondary research. Surveys and interviews can be conducted online, by phone, or in person, and focus groups can be conducted in person or online. Secondary research includes researching publicly available information such as industry reports and government data. Analyze your data. Once you have gathered your data, you have to analyze it to find trends, patterns, and insights. This could include using statistical analysis, creating charts and graphs, or conducting qualitative analysis of interview or focus group data. Communicate your findings to stakeholders through a research report or presentation. Make sure to clearly communicate key findings, insights, and recommendations. So we continuously improve your research methods and techniques by keeping up with industry developments and new techniques. Stay ethical by making sure that your research methods are legal and ethical, and by obtaining informed consent from participants. Market research can be available for businesses to gather information about their customers, competitors, and industry. It can be used to inform product development, marketing strategies, and business decisions. In order to conduct market research effectively, you have to have a clear problem statement, a well-developed research plan, appropriate methods for data collection, and the ability to analyze and communicate the findings. Another method of making money at home is dropshipping. This is a retail fulfillment method where store does not keep the products itself in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. This allows store owners to sell a wide range of products without having to maintain inventory or handle shipping and fulfillment themselves. So here is a full guide for getting started with dropshipping. First, research products and suppliers. The first step in starting a dropshipping is research products and suppliers. Look for products that are in demand and have a good profit margin. Also, research different suppliers to find the ones that offer the best prices and have a good reputation. Choose a platform to sell your products on, such as Shopify, BigCommerce, or WooCommerce. These platforms provide the tools and features you need to create and manage an online store. Set up your store by choosing a design and layout, adding products, and setting up payment and shipping options. Market your store through social media, search engine optimization, and paid advertising. When an order is placed on your store, you will purchase the product from the supplier and have it shipped directly to the customer. Make sure to keep track of your orders and communicate with your customers to keep them informed of the status of their orders. Continuously improve your store by testing different marketing strategies. Adding new products and optimizing your website can be a really good method. Keep an eye on your inventory levels of your products to make sure you don't run out of stock, and also make sure to update your website accordingly. Dropshipping can be a great way to start an e-commerce business, as it allows you to sell a wide range of products without having to maintain inventory or handle shipping and fulfillment yourself. However, it is important to thoroughly research products and suppliers and to market your store effectively in order. Starting an e-commerce store can be a great way to earn money from home by selling products online. Identify your niche. The first step is starting an e-commerce store is to identify a niche or market that you're passionate about. This could be anything from handmade crafts to vintage clothing, or even digital products such as ebooks or courses. research your competition to understand what products are already being sold and how you can differentiate your store. Look for gaps in the market and areas where you can offer unique value to customers. Source products. Once you've identified your niche, you will need to source products to sell. You can create your own products such as handmade crafts or digital products, or you can create and purchase wholesale products from a supplier. Choose in e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, BigCommerce, or WooCommerce to set up and host your online store. Optimize your store for SEO by using relevant keywords, creating high quality content, and building backlinks to your store. Market your store through social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. You have to continuously improve your store by testing different market strategies, adding new products, and optimizing your website. Keep an eye on inventory levels of your products to make sure you don't run out of stock. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If you find all of these methods helpful, or if you are interested in at least one of them, please comment in the comment section down below your questions, your thoughts, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Turn on the notification bell because I will post another video very soon and you will be notified once I will post it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.